opposing the proposal of the Telangana government on sharing of Krishna waters in the ratio of 50-50 basis. The Andhra Pradesh government on Wednesday shot off a letter to the KRMB saying that the ratio should be 30-70 ratio between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for the water year 2021 to 2022. It also said that the utilization of water by Telangana should be restricted under minor irrigation within the limits of KWDT1 allocation of 89.15 TMC. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Reddy launched the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine (PCV) drive, where the medical and health personnel vaccinated a month-old baby with PCV. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that immunization is one of the most cost-effective public health interventions for the protection of children. The vaccination program is targeted for the prevention of pneumonia deaths in children, which is a major cause of infant and child mortality. A major bureaucratic reshuffle is on the cards in Telangana, and an exercise in this direction has begun with the promotion of 3 senior IAS officials as special chief secretaries. The chief minister would be utilizing their services for the effective implementation of various welfare schemes launched by the government. The Enforcement Directorate (ED) on Wednesday summoned 12 actors of the Telugu film industry in connection with the money laundering case and drug trafficking and consumption case. Apart from the actors and director, the ED also summons Srinivas, driver of Ravi Teja, and another person, who was working as a general manager of F Club. In a bid to extend the vaccination drive to rural areas in the state, Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai inaugurated the mobile vaccination drive Vaccination on Wheels on Wednesday. The program is being organized by Narayana Health in collaboration with Volvo Group. The Supreme Court on Wednesday pulled up investigating agencies for delay in inquiry in cases involving MPs and MLAs, Live Law reported. A 3-judge bench headed by Chief Justice N.V. Ramana was hearing a plea seeking speedy trial in cases related to legislators by setting up special courts. The report mentioned that 51 MPs and 71 MLAs and MLCs were currently facing money laundering charges, typically investigated by the Enforcement Directorate. The Union Home Ministry on Wednesday announced that all Afghan nationals henceforth must travel to India only on e-visa in view of the prevailing situation in Afghanistan. The decision comes days after the government introduced a new category of visa called E-Emergency Ex-MISC visa for the Afghan nationals after the Taliban captured power in that country. Shalini Pandey is all set to make her Bollywood debut in Jayesh Bajorder opposite Ranveer Singh, on the 4th anniversary of Arjun Reddy, a film that catapulted her to instant stardom in the South. Shalini said, "I owe everything to Arjun Reddy because it put me on the map as a performer. I'm glad that audiences appreciated my hard work." After the high of a 151-run victory in the Lord's Test, India suffered a dramatic batting collapse on the first day of the third test against England at Headingley, Leeds on Wednesday. England pacers fired in unison to bundle out India for a meager 78, their 8th lowest in test history, in their first innings.